Hi there. So, the idea is now that I am experimenting a little bit more on bringing some of this blue paint back to life. Don't have much great hopes, but I'll try anyway. So, I'm organized. 12, let's organize. 1200, 800. That's a 3000. That's also a 3000. That's 400. Yeah. 2000. 1500. 1200. 1000. 600. 800. So we will go down this way. I don't really want to lose any of the paint. I just want to go down a little bit and hope that below the oxidated surface there might be some more blue stuff. No idea if this works. Let's first of all take the rust out of this little edge. This is not too cooperative. Not to spill the water. I'm just doing the bottom tube for now. This is just to figure out whether this does anything. I think I'm already given up on this, and I'm going to start with a block. If you want a shiny continuous highlight, you need to work with a block. So this is 400, it's quite aggressive, so I'm not doing much. The moment I see white, I'm done. So that's the 400, okay? Already finished, and I'm going to put this out of my way. Now, let me show you. What you see on the paper is blue. So this is a one component paint. 600. Actually, I'm wondering how much. No, let's just stay disciplined here. Let's just be patient. This bike will not be restored. This bike will be kept alive. This will keep all its patina. And I'm just experimenting. So let's go to 800. Do the block first and then I do by hand. Can really feel it how coarse this is up there. Some water, maybe water helps. There's a very distinct difference between here, where there is a sticker on it, is much darker than where the paint was basically burned through. And see all the dirt that I'm taking off. So let's go for hand action. So dirty. The water is so dirty. And it's a bit difficult to judge whether this is off the paint or it's just the rust. Here we have too white already. I'm not happy with doing much there. Let's just go right to the sticker. So I'm going through the paper. I am going to each time wash off any potential residue. Look at this. Look at this. This is not only rust. This is also dirt that sits on top of the paint. This is fundamental. This is really massive. Let me double check whether you're on the picture. Barely. So let me adjust this a touch. Maybe walk you forward like so. Okay. My tripod getting all dirty. Yeah, that's good. I think we're done with the block. The rest will be just the feeling that's in my hand. Okay, 1000. We are absolutely working through the blue paint. It's not working. It's not coming blue. So we're kind of like done. Kind of done here. It becomes white. That's not what we want. It might be the case that I'm taking away the dirt, but I'm also taking away the blue severely. So that's not what I want. I also try something else for the chrome here. On these areas that are completely rusted, I'm going to sand a little bit more. Let's just not do anything. Not getting any better. Okay, let's try. 2000. Go straight to the last one, 3000. Which is also 3000. So that is all the sanding done for today. Let's put the stuff away, dry up, and polish. So here's my weapon of choice. T-cut, scratch remover. Start from the bottom. I'm filming. all of these actions are abrasive, so the more we do, the less paint there will be, since this is already a problem. I'll stop now. This is definitely not developing a shine, which is not what I was hoping for, but that is obviously the case here. So the sticker looks a little nicer. Well, the way this feels is a whole lot smoother. The color is the same, but on here where the sun shines on it, we definitely lost even more blue. So it's questionable whether this is now better or not. You decide. You tell me. Right, so that's that. That is that. Not shiny, definitely not shiny, but smoother, definitely smoother, not so much here. Well, we tried, we sure tried. Now I'm going to go into this little corner here with a little bit of outer sole first. I've done some sanding down here, which also didn't seem to make this any better. The outer sole makes it quite dark once it is steel. Once all the chrome is gone, it just goes really dark. So now, last thing we're doing is add a little bit of aluminium foil. If I still have any. A tiny little crumb, okay? So, that, look at that. I conclude I have done a massive amount of work with very little result. I decide now that this is not worth it, so come up with plan B, whatever plan B will be. So that's it for now. Actually, I want to try one more thing, and I want to see whether I can, how easy it would be to take the paint off here. Let's have a look. It's not that easy. Good, so this is it for now. I'm gonna shut you off. Thanks for being here with me, and I hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later.